Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. All right, so Bitcoin has now overtaken silver and alphabet um, in the top assets by market cap. Okay, so this little chart here, I'll leave you this link in the description so you can have a look at it yourself. Cryptocurrencies are in purple. You'll also notice further down the list, Ethereum's now in the top 30. It's overtaken quite a few recently. Um, some people actually say Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin. Who knows? Not sure about that, but possible because at the end of the day, there's an unlimited amount of Ethereum, so you could release more Ethereum. And so that is a possibility. Okay. Um, but I believe that Bitcoin price will go to 1 million at some point. So if you think about if there's a little bit more Bitcoin out there and it 10x is from here, then it'll be worth 23 trillion. That's assuming that gold would remain the same price and the amount of gold doesn't increase, which is not going to happen. Okay. Gold will increase probably, and more gold will be dug out of the ground, and who knows, maybe mined on asteroids and comets or other planets and stuff like that in 10 years' time. 10 years is probably a little bit too soon, I guess, for that, but who knows? Okay. The point is, the amount of Bitcoin is fixed at 21 million and is less than that because so much has been lost, where the amount of gold can still go up. Okay. So, um, I mean, Bitcoin is slowly going up, obviously, the amount that gets mined each day. But there is a fixed amount, obviously, at 21 million. Where gold, like I said, you could find it on a planet, an asteroid. You know, the amount of gold in the universe, okay, is probably going to be more than the weight of the Earth or something like that. Okay. So you don't know how much gold there is in the universe. All right. And you're not exactly sure how much gold there is in the solar system and stuff like that. So, I mean, it may sound laughable to sort of talk about comets and asteroids and other planets and stuff like that, but that is the point with gold is that you don't know how much there is. Where Bitcoin, you know how much there is, what the maximum supply is. It's always 21 million, and there's no getting away from that. And that is kind of the beauty of Bitcoin. All right. So we can see that Bitcoin has overtaken Silver and Alphabet recently, um, and is now into sixth place. And it's been slowly rising, and it's going to get after Amazon soon, no doubt. Maybe it overtook it recently and dropped back. Who knows? But yeah, keep an eye on this. I'll leave you the link in the description. And I believe that Bitcoin will eventually over will become number one asset by market cap eventually. Who knows? It might take 20 years, but it will get there, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think. Will you think when do you think Bitcoin will become the top asset by market cap? Put a date in the comments, okay? And then you can come back to it and say I told you so. Or maybe you think, gold's the number one and always will be number one. So let me know.